Hello and welcome back to Insta TV. Let's take another look at the most important financial events for today, the 15th of November. The US currency has soared to a one-year high in recent trades since Donald Trump's victory at last week's US presidential election. Strong demand for the US dollar and 10-year US Treasuries was propelled by the optimistic sentiment. Investors are anticipating that Trump's administration will be able to boost the US economy, in particular bolster consumer inflation and revive economic growth. The US dollar index, which tracks the greenback's performance against 6 rival currencies, eventually surpassed the psychological level of 100 late Monday in New York, its strongest level in 13 and a half years. The dollar gauge briefly touched 100.20. However, the US dollar was trading weaker in the Asian trade on Tuesday as investors were locking in profits after a one-year rally. Investors halted pricing in policy shifts expected to be undertaken during Donald Trump's presidency. Now markets are awaiting detailed plans from the newly elected president. Nevertheless, some currencies are still giving in to the US dollar. Currency strategists had to revise their forecasts on the Australian versus the US dollar pair. After the support level of 0.7550 was broken, analysts say the pair is set to follow the bear trend. Obviously, the pair is heading for the target level of 0.7440. The Aussie could not find support from the upbeat minutes of the Reserve Bank of Australia policy meeting. The minutes contain the positive assessment of the Australian economy. Besides, the minutes reflect an upbeat tone for the inflation outlook. The content suggests that the regulator is not going to change monetary policy, so the cash rate is to remain the same. And this was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Thank you and goodbye.